Hi everyone. Hi, welcome to the episode 5 in the short, and I'm going to check this. Apparently, it says that broadcast will start soon, but in Russian. Apparently it does. So I hope it will work. Okay, and looks like currently I'm the only one who watched. I didn't announce it very broadly because I just wanted to test this new. To do now on DigitalOcean is pretty service. So you a cheap VPS from them with an API and stuff, so it will be accessible from there. To show you how it works, by the way, just log in, and I used it in the past. First, you need mail, then you deposit some funds there, and after you can create something. I dropped this VPS. You can see the characteristics here. So with only half a this, well, it's pretty costly. I think I have, so I'm going to use the cheapest one, and there is a bunch of locations. I don't know which one I should pick. I think I'm going to choose the US one, and now I can choose an image. I think it supports multiple versions of Linux. I'm just going to choose the default. Okay, I'm going to choose the default, and I can add SSHK, but I'm too lazy to do it, and I need to add an. I'm going to call it searching already. Okay, droplet. Okay, someone's watching. Hi. I'm deploying for a server. So basically right now we need to wait for like 30 seconds. It's actually pretty fast because I think I rented a VPN. They had to wait, I think, like 24 hours before they made me a server. Anyway, you can just type something here, and I will answer your questions or just chat with you. After, just use SSH to access it. Okay, it's created. It's in New York. It's pretty cool that you can just the API. So what I'm going to do is just to connect to the server. And if you are using Windows and you want to use DigitalOcean, you probably need to install a client, but and Linux come with SSH pre-installed, or you typically can install it really easily. But for Windows, you need a program called PuTTY. So alright, let's connect to it. I actually wondering how do I connect. I think I somehow could just copy and paste the password. It's not very secure to broadcast like this, but whatever. Reset root password. I think they might have. I think that they sent me an email message. Let's check it. Alright, here is the password, and I hope you guys are not evil. And pretty simple. Okay, doesn't match. Okay, one more time. Okay, changing password forward. Okay, just copy paste in it. Okay, I set up a new password, and now it's basically a shell, just like my local one, and only it's Linux. Let's see. By the way, where is chat? I just want to see if you type something. So, and I think maybe I have Python installed here, so I just can use Python here, 2.7. That's good. I think I'm going to go with the simplest possible solution, and I need my favorite config. So I'm just going to launch a Tmux here and launch crawler there and just leave it like that. It's not very production ready solution, so to speak, but I think it's okay because I like to work iteratively. Anyway, so I need my favorite config. I need to copy it there, have my config here, and I'm going to use scp command, which just copies file using SSH. Where is the API? Is the API address? Okay. Just put it there. Okay. I need to specify that I'm going to copy to root. The password. Okay, it worked. Now connect again. And I think it's not very good idea to run the crawler under root, so I'm going to create a new user. I actually don't quite remember how to add it. I think there was a command called add user or user add. Let's see. Then I'm going to call it just crawler. Enter your unique password. New password. And I'm just going to, and I'm not going to enter the details. This information is correct. So what now? Now I think I need to try the connecting as, as crawler user. Password again. The way to avoid typing password each time that you connect to a remote computer is using SSH keys, but I'm a bit lazy to set up one now. So let's see. I think I need to copy tmuxconf from root directory because into this password. And I'm not in sudoers file. Okay. So basically sudo basically sudo just runs your command under root, but I think you can use it to run your command under a different user, not just root, but there's file. My stream is blocked in Germany. I wonder why. What does it say? I think I'm going to contact YouTube support if there is an issue. Um, but I'm not going to do it now. If you guys know a quick way to fix it, and maybe that there is something about right problems that's weird. I don't think I'm using any copyrighted content. Um, maybe. Oh, you are using VPN. That's cool. I'm actually flattered. I didn't play any music, so that's very weird. Um, I think I wonder if it detects some sort of pictures, and it sees that there are pictures of other YouTube videos on YouTube because that's that's not cool. That's not cool, YouTube. Um, but for now, okay, let's go back to coding. So I need to set up a proper. Yeah, I heard that. I heard that there are a lot of problems with copyright in Germany. I actually had a German VPN. I mean VPS from Hessner, and they had OpenVPN set up, so I used my COS VPN, and I actually had a lot of troubles like playing YouTube videos that are accessible in Russia, but um, they were not accessible through VPN because of some copyright issues. Okay, so I need to hate this. I hate Nano. I need to install Vim. Okay, there is Vim. Okay, it's installed, but it's actually so what I need now to do now is just allow the user crawler to use sudo and okay, and it's done. Okay, what's the password? I forgot it. Let's launch Tmux. Okay, my favorite config doesn't work. What's I'm dead? Oh, okay, because I sorry. Yes. So it works. Okay. The reason I need to use the Tmux because I need some sort of way to run a process in background. If I launch a background process like for example, like this, and disconnect immediately, this process I think will be terminated. Also, I'm not exactly sure, but anyway, there is no clean way to sort of reopen the process. So I'm going to use Tmux. So my favorite config now works. Tmux is pretty cool. You can do all sorts of fractals terminal stuff in it. I highly recommend it. But what I need to do now is just to clone our crawler. Crawler, okay. Where is it? I'm not logged in. And I think I don't remember my password. Okay, I do remember it. Where is my repository? Okay, here is it. Need to clone it. pip not installed. So I'm going to install it. Yes, now install Git. Okay. So basically, what I need to do now is just launch crawler, but it won't work because I don't have all the necessary packages installed. So like beautiful soup. And what I'm going to do now is not just simply installing them, but I'm also going to use something called requirements txt and virtual environment. Basically, there is a tool called virtual env that allows you to create a special folder in your a special directory in how do I put it, like here, and install packages in the virtual env directory instead of installing them globally. It's pretty cool because first of all, it avoids you to avoid dependency hell when you're using multiple applications, when you're deploying multiple applications to a server. And secondly, it allows you to deploy them to use specific versions of packages, like on your laptop, and both on your laptop and on your server. So it's pretty cool. I'm going to show you now. I think I need to install virtual env, maybe. Yes, I think. I actually don't know. Maybe I should install it using pip. Okay, let's install it using pip. I don't know why it's better. Okay, I think I need to install pip first. Some packages, some packages not installed. Some packages will fail to install because I don't know, English is hard. Was it correct grammatical sentence? I don't know. Sometimes when I'm streaming, sometimes when I'm streaming, I'm just can't do anything but wonder if I'm making correct phrases and stuff. Anyway, so I updated the current packages. I mean, not the packages, but how is it called? Sort of registry for packages. Just get update pulls the information about new packages and stuff. So I think I can finally. Oh, it's installed. Okay, let's install virtual env. Permission denied. Let's do it as root. Let's, by the way, a trick I really like. You can just type sudo exclamation mark, and the previous command gets run as root. It's actually this thing basically substitutes the previous command, but I actually don't use this thing except for sudo bang. Okay. So now I'm going to create a virtual env directory and called vm. So here is the directory, right? There is some stuff, and actually there is their own version of pip. I'm not sure if there is its own version of Python, probably not, but pip and packages are going to be there. So Now I need to activate it, and here's how to do it. And okay, let's now create requirements.txt with the information of all packages used. So I'm just going to launch crawl API and see what's missing. Okay, no model named request. Okay, let's install requests. No model name BS4. Let's install it. Could not find any download that satisfies icon BS4. Okay, let's search. Maybe I can spell beautifully correctly. Yes. Okay, it's installed. Next. Oh, sorry. Qualify. I wonder why it's like this. I found a bug. I think there is always need that both arguments need to be required. So let's check it. Okay. Forward some message. Yes, it says that now it's required, and basically I can't launch it just like this. So it's going to check if these parameters are present. So I'm going to commit it. Okay, because it's a new Ubuntu installation, because it's fresh Ubuntu, I need to set up a bunch of key parameters. User email. I'm going to add my email. Then I'm going to set up my username. And my username is Alexander Antilin. Okay. Next. Okay, I was going to commit it. Oh god, I hate Nana. I wonder if there is yes, great. There is a environment variable for setting your favorite editor as editor for Git. So I did it. I think that there is a better way to do this, and since this is just one time thing, but whatever. Okay, I'm going to commit. And I'm going to push it later. So, okay, let's just launch crawler and see if it works. Okay. I'm going to start with sorry. Now here. And I'm going to save logs. Log 1. Let's see if it's non-empty. Okay, 28 lines. So what I'm going to do now is create requirements.txt file. Sorry. So basically there is a pip freeze command that. Oh, okay, that's not good. I need to activate virtual env first. I forgot where I'm being. Sorry, guys. Okay. So here's a bunch of dependencies of our crawler, and I'm going to put them into requirements.txt. Let's see. So if you are going to experiment with the code, you can easily install all dependencies using pip install -r requirements.txt. So it installs all requirements, and basically it says that all the requirements are already satisfied, which is unsurprisingly because I just spent last 10 minutes installing them manually. Let's commit. Let's add it and then commit. It's not. It says something about non-awk status code. Maybe you didn't notice, but I noticed. I think it was 521. So I'm going to commit this first and then check log. Rolling log 1. $529. Protocol extension not implemented. I have no idea what it means, honestly. Like, but I think it was the only one, so okay, whatever. Maybe I need to investigate further, but I have no idea why. I never saw it before. So I think I'm going to push it. My username, my password. I pushed it. So I think I think I'm going to end the episode now, but I'd like to make an announcement first. Basically, I thought it would be cool if some of the people watching would participate. So what I did yesterday is this. I created some issues. I'm going to create more, but for now there is 3 issues, and you can choose one, work on it, then send me a pull request if you want. There are 2 of them that are relatively simple. So if you're not very familiar with Python, I suggest that you pick either this one or this one. And if you maybe want to dig deeper, there is another issue. If you watched the previous episode, I spent like 20 minutes debugging this login thing. And if you want to help me, you can fix it. And I don't know, I will mention you on the stream, and I will thank you. So I wonder how long I'm streaming. Okay, it's like half an hour. So if someone has some questions, I'm going to answer them. And in case that there is some amount of lag, I'm going to wait for a minute, maybe two. Thanks you guys for watching. So let's wait 2 more minutes. But basically this is the end of the episode. I think it mentions that there is low bandwidth and that viewers may have problems with bufferization. So if you guys and girls had a problem, please let me know. And I hope you enjoyed the stream. Basically, I hope that the quality is better than during my previous ones. But let's see. There is going to be another episode tomorrow. It's going to be about Flask. Flask is the web framework. I think it's one of the best. Although I don't use a lot of them. Here is it. So just an announcement. It's going to be at 8 p.m. UTC. And I think you can see the stream because I planned it in advance. I think you can see it on my channel here. I think it's going to be a rather long stream. So thanks for watching. Apparently there is no questions. I'm going to end it now. Bye.